Have you ever wondered that the green leafy thing that you use to garnish your dish can actually help you to get a glowing skin? Yes, you heard it right. Coriander leaves can help you get a glowing and flawless skin. In earlier times, coriander leaves were traditionally used in making oils and perfumes. The fresh aroma of the can makes anyone feel revived. It has a rich content of antioxidants, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which makes your skin supple and soft. Using coriander on your skin helps in protecting your face from oxidative stress, which leads to skin aging. Coriander also has antioxidants that fight the movement of free radicals in the body, which further slows down the aging process and improves skin elasticity. All we need here is half a tomato and a handful of fresh green coriander leaves and rose water. Blend chopped tomatoes with coriander and rose water to make a pasty mixture. For oily skin, it can be a good idea to add lemon juice. Now, cleanse your face and apply this mask evenly all over your face and neck. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes and let your skin soak up all the goodness from the coriander and tomatoes. Rinse off your face with water to reveal your sparkling, gleaming and very clear skin. With regular usage of this face pack, pimple scars reduce and vanish. Tomatoes are full of antioxidants, which help in clearing dark spots from the skin. Tomato juice has whitening properties also that help as an anti-tanning agent. Fresh coriander dries and heals pimples. It also has excellent anti-aging and anti-wrinkle effects on skin. So, together these two ingredients work wonders for me. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.